paddle shifters. Today we got a 350Z OS 2006 and we just replaced the white pipe with a Z1 part. This is actually much bigger than the stock one. Check out the stock. See how it's kind of like skinny right here? But let's start it up and see how it sounds. What's up, dog? You gotta get you one of these, homie. Look at this. Sounds really good. That sounds so cool. I'm addicted to that noise. So he's got the short antenna. I was wondering what that was for. So he removed the wiper. Welcome to another video, guys. Today we're going to be installing the headlights that I restored yesterday. Not yesterday. On my last video, check that out, guys. This is what they look like now. I got them for a good deal. Everybody was like, nah, pass on those, get new ones. I'm like, man, I can save so much money though, you know? Versus these. I think those are gonna look really good. Well, let's install these today. Once again, if you guys are new, don't forget to subscribe, guys. It'll definitely help the channel grow. So today, in order to put those headlights in, we'd have to remove the whole bumper, guys. First, let's open up this hood. Car is super dirty right now. I'm gonna wash her afterwards. Check this out, guys. So I wanted to install the passenger side first. And yes, the 2012 to 2014 headlamps does fit on the older TLs from 09s to 11. So to take this off, all you got to do is one bolt here, number 2, number 3, and number 4. And I did take out these bolts for this piece right here. It kind of lifts it up a bit. All right, take this off. See this little black part that sticks out? That's the part of the headlamp. All right, put it right there. If you don't have power tools, it's all good. It's just gonna take you longer. It's all good. Done. Second screw, and I think we're ready. Where's the old ones? Where's the new one? Oh, over here. And just reverse. Do the reverse step. I might actually replace this little peanut bulb over here. That looks pretty bad.
That's 15% on top of what Geico could already save. So what are you waiting for? Your teenager to go around the house? Okay, Mom, I emptied the dishwasher, vacuum.
Man, that looks a lot better. I'm just gonna transfer both of these bulbs. Now I gotta take that back out. And I don't need this halogen bulb because I do have my LED ones. Yeah, this is another horn. So we got horn on both sides. Oh, Tay, Lily. There we go. That looks pretty good. Just turn it on, make sure it works before we put the bumper back. Wow. Yeah, we can. It is actually a lot more blue. I see how brighter this light is compared to the other one. We definitely gotta replace this. And it's not easy. Wow, there's no space to replace them. All right, headlights are now installed. I made sure they all work. And it's time to put the bumper back on. What is up, guys? What is up? So, I've been driving this thing for like a week. So a good 6 days, and check it out. Them headlights look awesome, man. Need to wash the car, but damn, that's look good. Those 2012 headlights make such a big difference, guys. It's crazy. Check out the back. Man, looks so good. Well, guys, thank you guys for watching my video. If you haven't subscribed, don't forget to subscribe. Like the video if you like it. That was a lot of work. Let's take care, y'all. Peace.